Hello everyone. I am on my way to the thrift store to meet Laura. We're going to do some thrifting for you guys today. Our first stop is Value Village.
Good morning. Welcome to Value Village.
We are here.
We're here to thrift. We are here to show you the ins and outs of thrifting. We find it's a great way to participate in the trends without spending a lot of money.
Yes.
So we're gonna show you our tips and tricks. We'll head in and we will check it out. Okay, so we're inside. We're gonna split up. We're gonna show you our individual processes and kind of how we go about the store. Where are you heading first?
I'm going to the men's blazers first. All of my blazers that you guys see in my outfit of the days, they're all thrifted from the men's section.
See you in a few.
Men's, that's a pro tip number one. Men's section is always the best. Right off the bat, a navy pinstripe blazer. It's also good to keep in mind like quality. This is also a great place to find just your staple black oversized blazer. Like this one, double-breasted. Quality's not bad. $17. I think we could probably find a nicer one.
I love playing with fun button-ups. It's a fun way to incorporate color into your wardrobe too. I'll talk about my favorite thrift store. My favorite thrift store is Charly's. If you are a first-time thrifter, it can be really overwhelming to show up to a thrift store because there's just so much stuff everywhere. Charly's organizes it by color, which makes it really easy. If you're going in looking for a specific color, this can be a little bit more overwhelming. But my one trick that I always tell myself is that there is a North Star. There is one item that you will find that you will love, and there's obviously going to be a hidden gem. You just got to look for it. This is actually kind of cute. I'll pull this out. This is actually a really cute cardigan. This is Zara Man. I actually love shopping in Zara in the men's section.
I'll be back.
I feel like I'm getting to that point too. Like maybe we should have grabbed a cart, so let's go do that. My hands hurt from like grasping.
I know.
You need 2 carts?
Probably.
Oh my goodness. Wait, guys, this bag?
That's cute.
Cute as heck.
Very expensive looking.
Well, we're gonna hang on to it. I like to
go.
make all my decisions at the end.
Laura, what's your biggest regret that you've like left at the thrift store that you've never got?
The one thing that I know for sure that I really regret is a leather blazer. Do you have one?
I think a recent one was I found like a maxi cargo set.
Oh, yeah.
And those are very on trend right now. So that was one I regret.
That's the hard thing about being a thrifter is that a lot of the time I am shopping and I find something online. I'm like, could I thrift that or do I need that? There's some good stuff. Like there's a denier jacket.
Lace is very on trend right now.
Totally. See, Michael Kors. Michael Kors jacket, guys. A beautiful brown. Brown is so in right now. Size medium. What are we? $36.99. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. Erin.
That's cool.
Funky.
Very funky.
Gorgeous. The gold detailing. I know Charly was going to talk about something like this in her subscriber stories later, but the gold buttons and the detailing. So this is super fun.
Another good thing about the thrift store is that you'll always find like a trench coat of some sort.
Oh, always.
Always. I found this guy. Not too sure how I feel about it.
Ooh.
But I want to maybe try it on and see. Sometimes you just gotta take the risky items and
you gotta hold on
see
to
how
it.
they work. Guys, this jacket, this is really cool. It's from Walmart. Never would have guessed this was from Walmart. This kind of looks like Topshop or Mango. Might hold on to this one. Okay, I gotta step away from this section. I'm gonna get...
I know, this one's dangerous. My trick in the dress section is I look at the bottom. I don't know why I do this. Probably because I know I'm looking for a long length, so I can eliminate a lot of them. The other section that I go to a lot is the lingerie section because sometimes they have the long, beautiful silk gowns that people didn't want, and then they turn into really beautiful dresses. This is actually really pretty. See what I mean? There's some fun finds to put like a cute little top over this. Like as a bodysuit with like a pair of high-waisted like denim. If I saw somebody wearing this, I would never know it was lingerie. It's Fashion Nova, size large.
Okay guys, I was just in the shirt section and I wanted to mention that one of my favorite like thrift finds are always getting white polos. It's only $6.49. I thrifted a shirt similar to this a while ago and I cropped it. because I liked the idea of it better cropped and I was seeing it like on Zara's website. It's another thing to keep in mind when you're thrifting, that sometimes you don't just always have to take the item as is. You can spice it up a little bit. But these are also great to find for like beach cover-ups if you want like a quick polo to throw over your bathing suit if you're going on vacation. A diesel shirt. We told you guys diesel's really on trend this season.
What's your favorite section of the whole store? Recently, I have been loving the women's skirts. And my trick is that don't be afraid to size up. So I always find like, okay, if I'm looking at these men's pants, I'm probably gonna be this size. Look how many more pants there are if I go up. And like tailoring is a thing, so I have so many more options if I keep looking up a size. Okay, I'm heading to, I feel like Erin probably took all of the men's coats and blazers, but we'll go see if she left any behind. Hopefully she did. See this? It says men's leather. Erin took all of them. That's why there's none left, because this is Erin's favorite section. She rated it already. So I have really big feet. A lot of you already know that. I have size 11 feet, so I can't really shop in the shoe section as much just because there's not really as much selection. But what I will show you is that a lot of these shoes, so like these for example, these ones are 25 bucks. I feel like that's a little overpriced for them, but it's a great way to participate in trends for less. These slingbacks right here, like if
Those
you are a 9, I feel like you kind of are in shoe heaven.
Yeah.
I feel like I love a really simple outfit, so this is where I come to add a little bit of pop to my outfit. So right off the bat, like this, with an all black outfit with this guy, so cute. See, they always have, for moms, great diaper bags. If you're looking for a fun diaper bag, like obviously I'm no mom, but I can only imagine that this would be enough space. And I think that this is a really fun, unique bag.
It's also a great place to find shoulder bags.
Yeah.
Lots of shoulder bags.
That red one is stunning.
So cute, and it's in really good condition too. Hey Laura, what is your all-time favorite thrift find?
My all-time favorite thrift find, I feel like it's probably the vest I'm wearing.
I
really
love
proud
it.
of it. I have not been lucky enough to find anything like designer at a great price yet, but I think Erin has.
You may have found an Oscar de la Renta's men's coat, and I got it for only 30 bucks. And then I also love my gray pinstripe blazer that you guys probably see me wear all the time.
Okay.
Hey guys.
We're back, guys.
We're back with our finds.
This is what we got. First, I think we should tell each other how much we spent.
Okay.
So Erin picked up 4 things. I picked up 8 things.
Okay.
You spent how much?
I spent $41.54. And I had a 20% off coupon.
I spent $104.66. So the first one that I picked was this really cute little shirt. I really liked the detailing on the front, like the pearl buttons. I think it will be super fun for spring, just like with a little pair of flats. And the price of this, it was $8.49. And then I grabbed this one. This is just a V-neck navy sweater. This one was $12.99 and it's from Uniqlo, so.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. This one was actually one of Laura's finds. We swapped a few finds.
We did.
I like the pockets here at the front, and it has like the little lapels here, and then I thought this would look really cool cropped, to be honest. And this was only $10.49.
It's not bad at all.
So I really like it.
I picked up this brown Hager sweater. It was $10.49. I'm just excited to tuck it in, and I feel like it'll be really cute.
This is my next find, and of course, it's another blazer. Are we surprised? This was only $17, and it doesn't, oh, it's from Moore's, actually. So, pretty good.
Not bad. Moving on to a controversial jacket. I thought this was really fun. Erin does not think this is fun. I don't know what got me about this. I think it's the idea that bomber jackets are kind of back in, but the embroidery just really got me. And for $17.49, why not? I'm gonna give it a try.
Yeah.
I picked up a blazer as well. This one's just a really fun, like houndstooth, cream and black, just super fun, and it was really soft. I love a soft blazer. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize this was from H&M. This is $8.99. Wow.
That's pretty good. My next find was this Ralph Lauren polo button-up. I loved the stripes. I already own one cropped similar to this with like the white stripes, but I like that this one had like the dark navy. I might also crop this one. I have a bad habit of like taking shirts and just, and this was only $10.49.
Not bad. Okay, this is one that I stole from Erin, so we swapped. So I grabbed this one. I saw something really similar at Mango, so I was glad to pick it up for $16.99, which is a steal for a denim topper. So
Very Justin Timberlake.
very much so. I'm very excited. Canadian tuxedo coming your way.
So show you guys my last one. This one I thought was so cute for the spring and summer. It's this adorable little black midi skirt. It's got, they look like little like roses or tulips on it. It was only $8. I'm not too sure the brand name. Yeah, this one was actually really fun. This is a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I'm not a big skirt wearer, but I thought since it's only $8 and it's got a fun pattern on it, might as well give it a shot.
Yeah, like we've been saying, thrifting is a really fun way to participate in trends without breaking the bank. Okay, I picked up, of course, a button down, but this one I found a little fun. It's kind of got a little bit of like a silk-esque vibe to it. It's got the sheen,
to it.
Which I love. And then again, just a neutral color. Really fun, just striped, very plain. I think you left one behind very similar that you're gonna go back for. Just
I'm gonna go back
everyday
for
staple. And last but not least, so this one I would probably pair with like, maybe not exactly this one, but for example, you put like a sweater over top of it. So you've got the fun vibe of the bottom.
Yeah.
And pricing, $10.49. So not too bad.
Can't go wrong with that.
Okay, thank you so much for coming along with us, guys. We had so much fun. Thrifting is one of our favorite things to do, so we're glad you came along with us. Stay tuned for part 2. We really want to style some of our pieces and show you how we put it together, how we wear it to work, going out. That'll be really fun.
And if you guys like any of the pieces that you guys saw today and you want some help getting some similar pieces in store, you can purchase a virtual shop, a personal shop. We do in-person and online shopping for you guys, which is so much fun for us to do. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on our socials. We post new videos every Thursday. We'll catch you guys next week. Bye.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen.